most challenging part with Bangkok. When it rains, there is a lot of congestion, traffic jam, and also they also have floods. Bangkok during the rains. Yes, there is no time to waste. Content creation, updates. Yeah, I don't know why we no longer have a lot of people on the streets of Thailand. That could be the problem. Is something terrible happening to the tourism sector? Huh? Due to the visa rules? Because you know, with Thailand visas, rules are changing every day and every time. And maybe some people are not happy with the rules. Guys, this is my first time to see Siam Station not so much congested. I've never seen this place not so much. I've never seen this place when it's not so much occupied. I've never seen this place never occupied. It's always full to capacity, you know. But here the lines, they have got a few people, no big queue. I don't know what is happening with I don't know what is really happening with the Thai tourism, because many streets have gone to today. They have a few people. Hello, say hello. 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 Say hello. Where are you going?
Nana Plaza.
Nana Plaza?
So we need to go here. E4.
But you're lost. You're supposed to change. You didn't have to change. So, right now,
Need to go back.
yeah. When you get there, you have to change.
So we need to go to Siam National Stadium.
No, you're here.
Yes.
So you need to go back here and interchange to Siam,
Okay.
then continue this.
Okay.
You understand? You go outside, okay? You're here. Cross the other side. When you cross, you interchange from Siam.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is William. If it is your first time to see me, kindly consider subscribing and join this family. I was just helping these friends from Bangladesh. Yeah, they're from Bangladesh and they had got lost. some. This is the Sala station. Let's see how it goes. Look at the green outside. So this is my single journey card. It's a single journey card, so I use it once. Alright, the MRT, I mean the BTS MRT, the BTS Sala Daeng. This is how it looks like. Here they have some snacks. Now, in case you're coming to Thailand, it's better at least to have a train card. It makes everything look easy because, I mean, you don't need to be in the queue buying cards every time. Under the station, under the train station, they have these services, currency exchange, the machines, the ATM cards, you know, some foods here, and these stores here. So no need for you actually to go downstairs to the shops. Yeah, and you can also use this bridge to connect to Silom Station. Silom Station is a subway train. That is Sala Daeng, down. That is the highway. It's just drizzling outside. Yeah, not too much rainfall. I guess most of these people here are going to connect to a certain park. challenging part with Bangkok when it rains. The most challenging part with Bangkok when it rains, there's a lot of congestion, traffic jam, and also they also have floods. Yeah, the floods in some areas will show. So let me first go here and get something to eat, and that is maybe fast food, something like KFC here.